Welcome back, guys. We are on another cool home theater install, and on this 9-channel system I'm using the AVR-X4700H by Denon. Super excited. This is my third time using this receiver, so Warren and I have gotten a little bit more experience with these receivers and putting them in, so I actually wanted to do a little unboxing and hookup and then a sound demo of this system with some pretty high-end Klipsch speakers here. So yeah, first before I get into that, I'm gonna hit you with the intro and then we'll get right back into it. See you in a second. Hey, buddy. Gotta subscribe for this guy. All right, guys, so here's our room. We have 9 channels here. We had to move these speakers back, so Benny came in, backed those speakers up for these side surrounds, and then I added the backs in here and there at just slightly higher than the side level positioning there, so it can clear that seating. Went ahead and mounted an Epson 4050 projector, so 4050, all super clean work up there with the raceway going up top to send the power, so that's all hidden. Up front, we have 3 Pro 18s. Before anybody says anything, yes, we know the center is offset. Center is offset because there is a stud that goes right down the center. So yes, we would love to have it there, but framing the whole wall isn't really a smart option because this center channel by Pro 18 by Klipsch, I can cock it in a tiny bit so it'll hit that center seat. Exactly. Okay, and yeah, and then over this, we're doing a 158-inch custom curved screen, acoustically transparent, that Cody's bringing. We're gonna put that up next, but before I get into that, I'm gonna unbox this receiver and do some hookups on it. He ordered the rack, and then right next to that, I'm going to put an Earthquake FF 12-inch subwoofer. So very excited about that one too. It's got a lot of punch, and I'm really excited that we're now dealers with Earthquake. So yeah, keep in mind, guys, if you're looking for any Klipsch, Denon, any brands you can think of for home theaters, we are direct dealers with them, and we can get you the best price, help support our family business here, and yeah, we'll get you a quote on anything you might need. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this Denon AVR-4700H. So it's IMAX Enhanced and Command Series. Let's get it unboxed and get it put in. All right, guys, let's see what's in the box. I'm gonna go through this pretty quick because everyone knows what's in a box. There's some styrofoam, there's a remote, there's some batteries, there's some antennas for the receptors. So let's open this up. This is a 9-channel powered receiver, but what's cool and special about the X4700H is if you use external amplification, you can get 11 channels. So it's 11-channel processor, 9-channel powered. So boom, batteries, remote, like I said, power cord, ungrounded. The reason all the receivers nowadays come ungrounded is because if there's a surge or strike to the house, it won't ground to the receiver, as well as it can give feedback noise from the terminals if it's actually grounded. So that's why there. AM antenna, for whatever reason, they still include these. Odyssey mic. Let's get the big boy out. She's pretty heavy. All right, let's open her up. She is a pretty receiver. So yeah, between the 4700H, up to the 6700H will give you 11 channels powered, 13 channel processing power, but it can only power 11, obviously, so you need external amplification. Also, besides that, you get a little bit more power on the 6700, and you get the nicer, higher end terminals. So you get those like clear gold-plated terminals versus your standard ones. But yeah, we love Denon for the back facing versus a lot of other receivers on the market because your wires can just slide right in on the top or the bottom for that matter. I love Yamaha, but they do stack their terminals sideways, so it's kind of hard to get the wires in between them. All right, so yeah, show you some of the capabilities that are in this IMAX Enhanced X4700H. Let's get it going. All right, guys, how about that? 158-inch custom curved acoustically transparent screen, thanks and kudos to Cody on this one. He killed it with this screen. It looks amazing. Whole receiver's all hooked up. I've done the tuning calibration, whole remote cell program. Let's just jump right into demos. Let's get it going. So yeah, guys, if you have this Dolby Access app, you set your thing to Atmos if you have an Atmos system at home, and then you can go download Dolby Access, and you have to download Dolby Access actually to get the Dolby Atmos content to work on the Xbox. So yeah, let's go ahead and show Leaf and Amaze and get you guys out of here. Let's get it going.
Alright guys, it's me again. See my face? I ain't getting 2 minutes on this video, but I'm getting some time. Anyway, it was good. It was fun. 9-channel system. And if you guys want it yourself, you know where to go. Link in the description. We'll see y'all later.